Today I'm going to show you 2 different ways to make a face mask out of your Alpine Swiss scarf. First, all you have to do is take your scarf and fold it in half lengthwise. Then put the middle part over your face, covering your mouth and your nose. Then all you have to do is tie it in the back. And you're ready to go. For the second way, all you need is your scarf and 2 hair ties. You're going to start the same way. You're going to take your scarf and fold it in half lengthwise. Then take 1 hair tie and put it down to the middle. Take your other hair tie and put it down to the other side. Then take the middle part of the scarf. At this point you could put a coffee filter here if you wanted more filtration. And you would just put it here and put it over your face. And then simply loop the hair ties around your ear